Morning guys, it is March 16th, 2026. This one here I got a call for kitchen sink faucet. The handle had popped off of the kitchen sink faucet, an older setup, and I told the lady just go get another faucet at Home Depot or Lowe's. And when she got it, give me a call, I'd go by there and swap it out. Can I fix it? Maybe, maybe not. Sometimes it's a wasted trip. And, you know, she told me how long it's been in there. I said, you're probably better off just getting a new faucet. If I go there and then it's, you know, I can't fix it, and you're going to pay me for the trip, pay me for 2 trips. So, better off just getting another faucet. So, that's what she did, and give me a call, and I'm going to go do it. Swap it out. This new shit that don't, I mean, you get the shit at Home Depot pretty cheap, right? Home Depot and Lowe's. Probably good for like 5-6 years. You get that out of a faucet, you're doing well. Get 5-6 years out of it, you'll be good. A new faucet to put in here. This one, the handle fell off or something. Hopefully I get this thing apart. I should be able to disconnect it up top there, maybe. A special wrench to get that off of there. This has got the base gasket. Make sure it's where it needs to be. Here's a wrench, you're going to use that wrench. Home Depot. way it goes. And all I gotta do is just hook it up and it should be ready to rock. That goes there. Hot and cold. What do we got there? This one's hot. This one's cold. This is cold. See if we can get this water on, see if it works. The cold and the hot. That should be cold. That should be hot. Cold for sure. That's hot. Okay. No more leaks.